guys, welcome back to my channel. It's meal prep day again. I spend a couple of hours every week meal prepping to save time and money, and I usually meal prep for 3 to 4 days so that the food stays fresh in the fridge and I don't need to eat the same foods every day of the week. This week I'm meal prepping for 3 days. I'm making breakfast just for myself and then lunch, snack and dinner for both my boyfriend and I. And all these meals will get you 100 grams of protein per day. For breakfast, I'm making high-protein chocolate sheet pan pancakes. These pancakes are super easy to make. First, I add 3 bananas into a blender and 6 eggs. Then I add 3/4 cup of vegan chocolate protein powder. If you don't have protein powder, you can replace it with flour. Next, I add 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cacao powder and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then I just blend everything together. Next, I pour the batter into a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Then I bake it at 180 Celsius degrees, 350 in Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. These pancakes are really soft and so yummy. You can reheat them in the microwave in the morning or enjoy cold. I like to serve them with some berries. This recipe makes 3 servings and contains about 33 grams of protein per serving. For lunch, I'm making a really simple pasta salad. First, I cook the lentil pasta. You could also use chickpea pasta. They're both high in protein. Then I add all the ingredients into a big container. First, the cooked pasta, then lots of grape tomatoes, mini mozzarellas, generous amount of arugula, and lastly, pesto. Then I just mix all the ingredients together. This pasta salad is one of the easiest and quickest meal prep lunch ideas, and it's so tasty and contains about 28 grams of protein per serving. For snack, I'm making yogurt barks. First, I make the granola that I will use as the topping. I mix together oats, coconut oil, some maple syrup. You could also use honey. Then I also add some vanilla extract and cinnamon for flavor. Then I spread the mixture onto a baking pan lined with parchment paper. I bake the granola at 180 Celsius degrees, 350 in Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until it's crispy and golden brown. Then I mix the ingredients together. For the yogurt bark, I'm using low-fat Greek yogurt in this, which is high in protein. Then I add some maple syrup and vanilla extract for sweetness. Then I spread half of the mixture on a cutting board lined with parchment paper. This recipe makes 2 barks. Next, I add the toppings. First, I sprinkle some of the homemade granola on top. Then I add some unsweetened peanut butter. I use a peanut butter that is 100% made of peanuts. You could also use almond butter or cashew butter, for example. Then I add some raspberries and blueberries on top. You could use any berries or fruit as toppings that you like. Bananas, for example, work very well. I freeze the bark for a couple of hours. Then I repeat the process for the second bark. After the barks have set, I cut them into pieces. I store them in an airtight container in the freezer. Let defrost for about 10 minutes before serving. With the yogurt I use, this contains about 20 grams of protein per serving. For dinner, I'm prepping burrito bowls. First, I cook the chicken mince with a little bit of garlic-infused olive oil, which is suitable for IBS sufferers like me. Meanwhile, I also cook the rice. I season the chicken mince with salt, pepper. I also add 1 bunch of chives chopped. If you don't have IBS, you can of course add some garlic and onion to this for more flavor. Then I also add some paprika spice, ground cumin, ground coriander, and a pinch of chili powder. Then I just stir to combine. Lastly, I add 1 can of crushed tomatoes. For the burrito bowls, I add some corn, bell peppers, black beans, rice, and the chicken mince. I reheat the ingredients in the microwave before serving. I serve the bowls with low-fat lactose-free sour cream, 1/4 avocado, some fresh coriander, and lime juice. If you don't have IBS, you could of course add some salsa as well. Such a delicious meal, and it contains about 27 grams of protein per serving. And here are all the ready meals. Those were all the meals I meal prepped today, and as always, the written recipes are in the description box. Let me know down in the comments what kind of recipes you would like to see next. Hope you tried the recipes. Enjoy!